Hi, this is Lisa with crochetmore.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make a front post double treble crochet stitch. To begin your stitch, you're going to yarn over 3 times. You're going to insert your hook around the post of the indicated stitch from the front side of the work, going around that post from right to left. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You'll have 5 loops on your hook. Now you're going to yarn over and draw through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and that's a front post double treble crochet stitch. Again, you're going to yarn over 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook around the front post of the indicated stitch, going around that post from right to left. Yarn over and pull up a loop. That leaves you 5 loops on your hook, and you're going to yarn over and draw through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. That's how you do a front post double treble crochet.